Welcome guys. If you want to quickly pair your JBL Live Pro Plus True Wireless Sound earbuds with your iPhone, at the first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. Right here we have to plug the cable, and next just simply open the case. You have to remove both earbuds, put them like that. These little tiny indicators right here will blink on the blue. You cannot see it on the camera, but in front of me I can spot that this indicator is blinking. It means that we are in the pairing mode, so we have to open the Bluetooth, click on the Bluetooth settings, tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth, and after a few seconds the JBL Live Pro Plus will appear on the list. So all you have to do is simply click on them once. Now just wait, and as you can see, after a few seconds we are connected. But if you have any problem with the pairing, you can make also the reset of this device. So if you wonder how you can perform the reset, so basically in this place you will find a little tiny hole, and you can use some kind of the very thin object and just put it inside. And once you make it, these indicators on the front will blink for the few times. I'm talking about this one. So you have to basically click and hold this button that is inside until this indicator starts blinking. So open the case, close, open, and when there's the white highlight, click and hold and take a look. As you can see right now, the reset is on the way, and you have to wait until it blinks like that for the 3 times. After that you can release, and as you can see I'm not connected anymore, so we can just turn off the Bluetooth, put them like that, and when you select them, as you can see there is no successful connection, but they will appear a few seconds after that on the list and will be connected one more time. So yeah, if you have any problem with the connection, just perform this reset and everything will be fine. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.